Have you ever thought of your online business like a physical shop? If you had a physical shop, you need an address, you need a location, you need a space to welcome your customer, you need a notebook to track your sales. Today in this video, I will explain how your website, your domain, your hosting, your ad and more, just like running a shop, so that you can run your digital business with confidence. First, let's talk about website. You can compare your website with a physical shop. In real life, a shop is a place where people come, talk to you and decide whether he will buy the product or not. Website does the same thing. Now let's talk about the main function of a website. Through your website, your visitor can see the price, package, details and everything about your product and services. Number 2. Build trust. Nowadays, anybody can open a Facebook page and start running a boost. It is so easy. When you have a website, it looks more professional. People think that they are legal business. You can add your review, you can add your testimonial, even you can add your Google map on your website so that people believe you. Number 3. Collect leads and order. Your website acts as a hub. When a visitor fill out a form, make a purchase, everything is stored in the backend of your website and anytime you can check it. Even you can use it for remarketing purpose. I will talk about this topic later. Number 4. Helps to track your customer behavior. With some tracking tool, your website can track who came to your website, who did conversions, which page they visited. Number 5. Your website works for 24/7. Your website never sleeps. Suppose you have a physical shop, it closes at night. But in case of website, it can take order for 24 hours. It never sleeps or it never becomes tired. Anyone can purchase from anywhere of the world. Obviously 24 hours, no problem, no distraction. Now let's talk about domain. You can compare domain with your shop address or location. In real life, every shop has a location. For an example, you can say my store, Bortola, New Market, Rajshahi. People use this address to come to you, to tell about their friends about your shop locations, visit anytime when they want. Your domain is like your business address on the internet. Let's suppose facebook.com or youtube.com. Every time when someone searches this, they go to this store. Now let's talk about why domain is important. Domain is your online address. It helps to reach your website easily. It helps to look your business professional and build trust among your audience. Now let's talk about hosting. You can compare your hosting with your shop space. If you want to open a physical shop, definitely you need a space. You can buy it or rent it. Most of the time, people prefer to rent it because purchasing the place costs a lot. Similarly, you have to rent a space in online to keep your product image, to keep your file, to keep your video, so that any people from anywhere of the world can reach your website and see about your product and details. Now let's talk about what hosting does. It helps to keep your website online so that people can visit anytime from anywhere of the world and can check the details of your product. It stores your website data like image, video and other things. Handles visitors. Just like your shop space, it handles all the visitors and audience who came to your shop. Facebook ads, Google ads or any type of social media ad. You can compare this with microphone announcement like miking, poster, billboard, this type of things. When you open a shop, what happens? Nobody will come automatically because people this time does not know about you, does not know about your business and what type of product you are selling, whether they need it or not. So what you should do? You need to promote it. In real life, what you do at that moment? You start doing miking, you make poster, banner and other things. You tell other people about your offer and details. For an example, yesterday I was hearing that a person was making a 50% discount on Bata, 20% discount on Apex. Facebook ads and Google ads do the same thing but digitally. Show your product to the right audience, bring visitors to your website, helps to get more leads. Pixel and conversion tracking. You can compare this like a CC camera. In real life, what's happened in case of CC camera? Imagine your shop has a CC camera through which you can check who have interest on your specific product and you can check the behavior and activity of your audience. You can even find out all the people who did not buy at that moment and left your shop. And somehow in the next day, if you find these people, you can tell him, yesterday you came to my shop and check this product, and today if you buy this product, I will give you additional 20% discount. This is called remarketing. In online business, your pixel and conversion tracking exactly works in the same way. You can track all the visitors who came to your website, who watch any of your video, who have interest any of your product, who did add to cart, who did purchase, even who do add to cart but did not purchase at that moment. You can track all of them. Then you can retarget them through your Facebook pixel or Google ad conversion tracking. You can send him a personalized offer, and this time when he will get a personalized offer like a little bit discount or free delivery, definitely he will convert. This is the power of remarketing. Now let's talk about Google Search Console. You can compare it like road to shop report. Imagine your shop is on a busy road or any backside area. You want to know how people find your shop or business and what they ask other people to reach your shop. How many people actually entered your shop and how many people passed by, don't enter in your shop. Google Search Console works in the same way. It shows how many people see your website in Google and what keyword they use to search your website, how many people clicked on your website, which page get more impression and clicks, shows your website performance. So finally you can check how visitor comes from Google to your website. Now let's talk about SEO. It helps to make your shop easy to find out on the road. Imagine there are two shops on a busy road. One is with a huge signboard and so that people can easily focus on the signboard, and another is on a small alley with no signboard. What do you think? Which shop will get more audience or customer? Yes, you are right. The one which is easy to find out. SEO does the same things. SEO helps to appear on your Google search result. It shows up when people search for your service. Helps you to get free and organic visitors. Now let's talk about Google Analytics. You can compare it with your customer counter in your shop. Google Analytics helps you to find out how many people visited your website, how long they stay, which product they are more interested, which page they have visited more, where they come from which location they come from, what device they use to enter your website. It helps a lot to optimize your ad later. Now let's talk about Google Business Profile. You can compare it with your shop signboard or location on your Google map. In real life, every shop has a signboard, every shop has a location so that people can reach to your shop easily. Customer use this to recognize your shop, find it on the map and visit easily. Now let's talk about the function of Google Business Profile. Shows your business on Google, helps you to find your business on Google Map, helps to contact with your customer directly, even they can call you, they can email you. It shows reviews and ratings about your business. It helps to build trust. Now let's talk about CRM. You can compare CRM with customer notebook. CRM collect all the information about your customer. It helps you to follow up them again. Suppose on a special occasion you can wish them. If you have a new product, you can tell them through email marketing. It store customer data, all leads in one place. Finally, it helps you to follow up your audience. So finally we can say digital business is not so complicated. It's like just running a simple shop. You don't need any complicated tools. You need to know the right system. If you follow the system, you will definitely get a good results for your business. So if you have any question related to this, you can comment. I will definitely reply. If you like this video or if this video helps you even a little, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching.